It's been a soggy stretch here at home with nearly 2 straight weeks of rain. In other parts of the country, heavy rain has turned dangerous. Deadly flooding forcing evacuations and raising new concern as more storms move in. NBC's Aaron Gilchrist has more.
In Tennessee this morning, residents and officials coping with the aftermath of deadly flooding that's claimed at least 4 lives. Officials say the disaster would have been far worse if not for the work of swiftwater rescue teams who saved dozens from fast-rising waters. A major interstate, I-24, under 3 feet of water for hours. Civilians like 22-year-old Troy Plemons springing into action too. Seen in this dramatic video, breaking the window of a submerged car to rescue a woman trapped inside.
And I was like, you gotta get out, you gotta get out.
Less than a minute later, Plemons says the woman's car went completely underwater.
I think I was put there for a reason. I think I was meant to be there to help that lady.
Officials say a record amount of rain Tuesday night took everyone by surprise.
When you look at it and it's 2 inches deep and the next thing you know it's 4 feet deep, that's something you've never seen before.
Similar scenes unfolding in northern Georgia, where apartments and homes like these are now uninhabitable. About 100 people evacuated, many by boat, returning to shattered lives.
You see, it's pretty bad. I mean, everything, it's total loss.
Meanwhile, the worst appears to be over in Alaska's capital city, Juneau, threatened by flooding from a massive nearby glacier.
The Mendenhall has crested, and it is starting to go down.
The Mendenhall River hit a record high Wednesday, but the town avoided catastrophe, thanks in part to new barriers designed to prevent the sort of damage that happened here last year.